Hello everyone, this is a quick overview of ServiceNow asset management on a single platform before we dive into the asset total cost of ownership demo. What you see here is a single platform for asset management. We'll discuss two types of assets, hardware assets and your physical business assets. In the second part of the demo, we'll cover enterprise assets, which are connected and non-connected assets that support a variety of use cases in different industries. Starting with the Washington release, we introduced asset total cost of ownership, which spans across hardware asset management and enterprise asset management. We'll start with Casey, an asset manager at a large company. As part of the hardware end of life planning, she's been asked to investigate the total cost of ownership of two Dell laptop models. Considering all the expense items and cost associated with these assets, it could take an asset manager a long time to complete this task. Let's look at how cost ownership reporting can help them standardize on the most cost-effective end-user assets. Casey starts with the Asset Analytics module. This is the new total cost of ownership workspace. There are several reports that allow her to analyze the asset cost performance. A report that flags how these assets are performing against the benchmark. She can see the top 10 models with the highest TCO, reports to show costs broken down by the model categories and expense type, including month-over-month expense distribution. She has the ability to build competitive reports, do a cost analysis on hardware assets, and save the reports so she can review them later. Next, Casey wants to analyze which assets have reached benchmark TCO. So she drills into this a little further. Each of these assets has a TCO benchmark cost that the asset manager has set up at some point. TCO is the sum of all expenses, capital and operational, for an asset during its life cycle. Here she can see cost of Lenovo ThinkStation 20 exceeding what the organization has set up. She clicks into it to investigate where some of these costs are coming from. Here, Casey can see there are 14 expense line items. In this example, she's getting these recurring costs that are adding up and pushing the asset over the benchmark the organization has set up for that asset. Earlier in the day, Casey created a report to determine the total cost of ownership of these two Dell models. She wants to analyze the latest report before sending it over to her team. Here's the comparison details of the two models. She's comparing actual TCO and not projected. Casey wants to view the report, and based on this report, she can see that Dell Alienware N14X has a higher TCO than M17X model. She can now export and share this report with the end user computing team so they can reset the hardware standards going forward. Let's switch to enterprise asset management and see how asset TCO works for your physical business assets. And check this out, the TCO workspace looks very similar, minimizing any downtime to learn the new workspace. Notice that the data reflects many non-IT assets, such as MRI machines, laser cutting, and construction equipment. Alex is our plant operations manager at a manufacturing company with locations in New York and Santa Clara. He has been asked to provide a cost comparison report for laser cutting machines between the two sites. Alex had earlier in the day created a report to determine the total cost of ownership of this model. He finds the report and clicks on it. He's reviewing the details of the report. For the total cost type, he's comparing the actual cost, but he could also do projected cost to calculate the TCO over the lifespan of this asset. Under the report sources, he set conditions to include the two locations and the model containing keywords. Alex wants to view this report. As you can see, the stacking is based on expense categories, for example, purchase price, maintenance, repair, labor cost, and so forth. The report explains why it's not economically feasible to maintain and operate the assets based on the older model. So in just a few clicks, Alex found an opportunity to maximize the value of his high-value assets, such as laser cutting machines.